Okay, so here's a wonderful innovation. For those that have difficulty starting lawnmowers, well, there is no place to start it. It's done right here with this system. It's a 1-2. That's it. Ready to roll. Come on over and check this out. Can you believe how quiet this lawnmower is? And it'll really do the job. Check this other feature out right here. That's it. Look at that. One lever moves the cutting deck up and down. And boy, is that simple. Anybody could do that. Come on over to see us at ISS, that's Interstate Sales Service, Stallings, North Carolina, to get yourself one heck of a lawnmower and one heck of a deal. Thanks again.